Hey guys, it's Vashell and welcome back to my life. Oh my gosh, if you watched my previous vlog, then you would know that I have come down with a cold and it's really bad. Like, it's really bad. I've been in bed all day and I can't smell anything because I'm so stuffy and sinus pressure is just killing me. Um, The problem is that tomorrow is Monday and I don't think that I'll be able to go to work because of COVID. There are new rules and regulations at my job which say that if you don't feel well, then you have to stay at home. But I have so many things to do, and someone is out on vacation, so we're already short staffed. Like, I'm really hoping that I feel better tomorrow morning so that I can go to work, but I'm not sure. I just took like a fistful of pills, which is why I'm able to get up and at least talk to you guys. But I don't know how tomorrow is going to work out at all. Um, I'm feeling a little snackish and I don't have any like snacks. So what I'm going to do is fry some plantains. If you watched, like I said before, if you watched the previous vlog, then you would have seen that I got some plantains from a tree in the backyard. So I'm going to fry some, most likely the green ones. I know most people know about, fried ripe plantains, but we also fry the green ones, which is what I'm going to do tonight for a snack. And then get back in bed. A few of my faves uploaded YouTube videos tonight, so I'm going to binge watch YouTube videos. I actually just uploaded the last vlog, well, today's vlog, the last vlog. So I hope some people are watching that. So yeah, let's just go to the kitchen and fry some plantains. Mm. Oh gosh, how do I look? Jeez, I'm telling you, it's rough. It's been a rough weekend for me, a real rough weekend. But a cold is better than COVID. Speaking of that, I've really been considering getting vaccinated. It's just been on my mind for weeks now, and like, I'm not anti-vax or anything. I just have never given it much thought or really done any research, so I was just neither here or there when it came to the issue of COVID vaccinations. But I've just been thinking about it a lot lately, and I think I want to do it. So I am going to tomorrow message my doctor to see if I can do it at her office. I'm not sure if she allows that or if she does that. Then again, I'm still not even sure, so maybe I need to take like a little bit more time and think about it. So we'll see. Okay, so These are the green ones. I actually ended up frying one ripe plantain. So I have 2 green ones and 1 ripe one. So that's probably too much. But it's not too much for me. So this is my dinner / bedtime snack while I catch up on some YouTube videos. Hey guys! Okay, so you have not seen me. Well, I have not picked up the camera to vlog in days and days. I really was not feeling well, so I ended up taking 2 days off work and then, just relaxing and, feeling better. I am going downtown to pick up one thing. One thing. Remember, you're going to buy only one thing. Yes, I'm going to look for a mini got to be glued freeze spray for like wig installations. I see Latoya use that, so I'm going to try to get that. What has happened? Yesterday I was supposed to go and get vaccinated, and I was so busy at work, like I could not leave, so I have to like reschedule that. Then let me see, so I'm going downtown. I need to go to Massey, and then I'm going by Tishon. You guys remember my friend Tishon, but you haven't seen her in like 2 years or so. Blame the pandemic. But yeah, I'm going to spend a little time with her this afternoon before I go home. I already called Aiden to show him these mangoes that I got for us. So Aiden and I are going to devour these a little bit later. So I'm going on into town now. Thankfully my car is super tiny, so I was able to get another parking space. So let me head out of the car now and see how quickly I can do what I need to do so I can make it to Tishon's house before it's too late. And I think it's supposed to rain too, so I don't want to get caught in the rain. Okay, so I got some cash. I'm going into Beautylicious now to look for the thing. That's Beautylicious. Hi, how are you?
It depends on how full you want it. They never recognize you. What the hell? I don't recognize her. I don't recognize you. Why is this? She changed it up. She looks up. What is that?
Rusty. Sorry, excuse me, please.
You should have cut some food for how much time we have to each other.
No,
Okay.
no. This time, yeah.
So,
This is completely different.
is this and this the same thing?
Right?
This and this.
If they're the same?
Mm-hmm.
Or, no. This one here is $34.95. This one is $32.95. But this is the same thing. I don't know why people expect.
Don't they have like a smaller size, like a little travel size?
Like ultimate hold.
Do they have like a travel size, like a really small one?
No, love.
Okay. No problem.
What's your name now? Yeah.
So no luck here. Let me try Diamond Girl, because I am sure that I saw that they had like a smaller one, and there's no way that I'm going to buy that whole big thing just to do one install. It's not going to happen. So over to Diamond Girl now. Okay, that was a bust. That was a huge bust. All I got is this. The Got to Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue, water resistant, for $8.95. I mean, everybody has like the freeze spray, but that's the large one, and I cannot pay $30 for something that I'm only going to use maybe once every 6 months. That doesn't make any sense to me. Didn't see anything else that I was interested in, which is a good thing, so I didn't really have to spend my money. I'm going to go to Massey now to pick up some black wine to send to my adoptive mommy in the US. So black wine at Massey, something to eat, and let me call Tisha there. Let me call her to see if we're still doing the thing. Hello? Oh, me just there. Me not tongue go look for something. So me going go look for something to eat, and then I come in. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm at Massey now. And we all know that Massey has their, why is it so dark? We all know that Massey has their no recording rule in there, and I was always able to get away because I was using my phone. I don't know how that's going to work out with me now using this camera, but I'm going to get some black wine. So I'm taking the camera and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, I am not seeing any black wine at all. Paris Sparrow. Okay, no black wine here. Oh, I know, I'll check. I'll check over at Thomas Wholesale. So let me go over to KFC and then to Thomas.
This is Vashell, and we're gonna put on cowboy mask.
Okay. We like PJ Masks. Right, we do love the PJ Masks. Look at me. I'm Catboy. But Catboy is not my favorite. Who's my favorite?
Gecko.
Yes, Gecko is my favorite. Okay, so yesterday Tisha and I were busy doing work, so I didn't really get to, vlog any of that. But I'll let you guys see her the next time we meet up. So it's Sunday morning now. I'm just doing some chores and relaxing with Aiden. We just read a book. We really love PJ Masks, so we just read a PJ Mask book.
When this cowboy mask come out?
Yeah, the back of it they have masks for the different characters. So yay. So we're just going to relax, and I'm going to end this vlog here. I have a couple of things I need to do today. I really am going to film these videos that I need to get done, because like 2 of them are sponsored, so I need to get them done. That's what I'm going to do, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. You have anything you want to say?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Hi.
Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next vlog. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you
And
enjoyed.
remember this book and this.
Yes, they will remember that. So, bye.
Bye.